Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel Ashwini's Life Solution. Nowadays we are going to make a series on 21st century skills, and you all already know about the 21st century skills and their categories. These skills are divided into three categories. The first one is the learning skill, the second one is literacy skill, and the third one is the life skill. So we have already completed our discussion on learning skill, and also we have completed our discussion on information and media literacy. Today in this video we are discussing on technical literacy. So what is mean by technical literacy? Technical literacy means to handle this digital world wisely for the betterment of our life. That we call as a technical literacy. Because of the entrance of the internet in our life, we are no longer remain the citizen of the one nation. We become the citizen of this globe. We are the global civilian now. And this globe, this universe, this world turned into the global village. So, and because of the internet, because of the digital world, this earth, this universe become the global village. So to handle this digital world very wisely is known as the digital literacy. What are the things included in this technical literacy skill? What are the things that are included in this technical literacy? It means how to use the internet, how to open the internet on your instrument, to know about the search engine. You can search with the help of this search engine. Then making videos, writing blogs, creating different websites on different subjects, then PPT, then presentation, then opening the account and handling the account on different social medias. These are arranging webinars, attending webinars, arranging webinars, going on live streaming on Facebook, on YouTube, and so many things are included in this digital literacy. Even one of the most important thing is that handling your payment accounts, handling through the net banking is one of the part. Then handling your business means these are the things that we called as the technical literacy. These things are included in this technical literacy, and you can use all those things, all this digital world for the business purpose, for different purposes also. It is known as digital literacy. This 21st century is known where this era, the 21st century is known as the century of information. At the same time, this 21st century is also known as the century of confusion. Century of confusion because of the availability of the lots of information on different platforms. And because of this lots of information, we feel that our life is a scattered one. Our life is very vast. It is scattered and we cannot handle it. And our life, we can't just hold it in our hand to handle. And it is only because of the confusion. And the confusion because of the availability of lots of information that we have discussed in our previous video on media literacy. So because of those things, we feel that our life is very scattered. But if I conclude it, if I sum up, or if in nutshell, if I tell you that human life has only 5 domains, it can be recollected. Our life can be recollected in these 5 domains only. The first is emotional, the second is intellectual, third is physical, the fourth is financial, and the fifth is social. These 5 domains, whatever we are doing by using this digital world or in our normal life, we are working in these 5 domains only. We are working in these 5 domains only means if we want to get the information, any kind of information from this digital world, we are getting information in these 5 domains only. And if we want to express ourselves, whatever we means to express means our what we can say, the insights, the experience, we can express it only in this 5 domain. Whatever we express, whatever we get, and whatever we express in this 5 domains only. So the human life, it can be handled. Now we come to know that there are only the 5 domains of human life. Above all, this digital world is very much fruitful for us. It is a boon for us. It is beneficial for us for working in this 5 domains. So because of the using of this digital, we can reach to the every nook and corner of this global village on this earth. The person who is writing or creating his video in India, he or she can be reachable for the person who is living on the another corner of the world, that is in USA, in Australia, or in New Zealand, wherever. And most important is that there is no control. But no control means what? There is the freedom. Control is the negative word, but there is a freedom for each person to express on this platform. And there is a freedom for me, for each and everyone, that getting the information from all nook and corner from every person in this world. And for what purpose? Means after all, after this discussion, the one question arises in our mind, that for what purpose we are doing so, that for what purpose we are getting so much information, or for what purpose we are just running after the information and information and information. The purpose of getting information is only to improve our productivity. To what we can say, the answer is that the particular answer of this question, that for what we are using this digital world and for what we are discussing the technical literacy, the answer of the question is only one, that to enhance the quality of life in order to increase the productivity of human being. Whatever and what may be the person you are, but you are recognized by your family, by your relatives, by your state, and by your nation and by your world only because of the productivity of yours. And productivity in these 5 spectrums: emotional, intellectual, physical, financial, and social. And after all also means the tagline, the basic line of the human life is that the human, any person in this world is and will be recognized by his productivity, and we are doing it all to increase our productivity. The quality of life, it depends on the productivity of a person, and the productivity, ultimately we can say that the productivity is the identity card of the person. So for that, we have to increase our digital world very wisely, and for that we need the digital literacy, we need the technical literacy. So we have to be very much literate in this spectrum, in this 21st century, for the betterment, for the improvement, for the enhancement, for the enrichment of our life, in order to increase the productivity in our life. So be literate and use this digital world very wisely. See you soon in the next videos. If you like this information, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks once again for listening very carefully. Thank you.